Here we are getting ready for this joint training in Sarasota on March 21st, and we're kind of looking at the overlap between sand therapy, play therapy, and expressive arts therapy. And I'm really excited, Eliana, because as you know, you were very influential to me, even though I never met you. I read all your early books when I was like starting out, especially working with children and trauma in as a therapist long before I had discovered expressive arts.
I know for me, sand therapy has been something I've practiced for decades, and it's both a professional and a personal practice. And as I began learning more about expressive arts therapy, I found myself approaching the sand work differently. And so that was like an immediate thing where I was thinking of the sand tray as producing images the same way we would make an image in art, and suddenly appreciating sort of the contours of those images, but especially my responses to it. And so one of the things that I learned as we got into the expressive arts is the value of having this intermodal approach, where you can start out with one thing and then purposefully deepen it by using a different medium. I'm just very excited to be able to come and kind of share a lot of that.
I'm really excited because I'm coming from the other perspective, right, of coming from expressive arts and learning about sand therapy from you, Eliana, and really feeling welcome to use the sand tray as another modality in expressive arts therapy. It's just exciting for me to learn about new modalities that I can incorporate into my work.
In expressive arts therapy, right, it's all about the intermodal process. It's all about, as you said, Eliana, deepening our experience through taking that journey through different modalities. What happens if I take my image into movement? What happens if I take my movement into vocal sound or rhythm?
And I think that you're mentioning the experiential piece is really important, because you can teach people about something abstractly by just talking about this is what you do and try it out. But it's so different when you really invite people in the moment to have the experience. Having a small group and kind of an intimate, cozy group is going to be great. And then so we take the time and we're not rushed, and we don't have a room full of 200 people, but we can really take time with people and let them explore the depths of all those things they bring with them and all the possibilities that are still to come.
Our training, it will be nourishing, right? It's like it will allow new possibilities professionally, and also provide kind of a retreat personally. So I think that's going to be a real beautiful balance of those two things.
Everyone will have this opportunity to really just be with different modalities without feeling like, oh my gosh, I've got to finish because everybody's finishing and whatever. It's really about reflection, and it's about you say this all the time, but it's really stuck in my head, is discovering our inner wisdom. And so to me, that's just priceless. It's going to be really warm and lovely.